Hey photographer, Jessica Whitaker here. I'm bringing you behind the scenes of a photo shoot here in Seattle, Washington. For the full gallery of images as well as the gear used, check out the description box below. I am with Sulina and we are starting off the photo shoot over at this beautiful building. It's a little bit cold outside, and whenever you're shooting in the cold, make sure that your model is wearing their jacket as much as possible. So in between locations, when you're walking, even if you're just standing there setting up, always have the coat on because nobody wants to be cold. It just makes everything miserable. But unfortunately, I'll have you remove the coat and then we'll get started probably like over here with your face nice and high so that we get all this beautiful light on you. Okay, and I'll hand you this.
I can't see the video.
Oh my word. So, okay, I just had to show you how beautiful you are. Like stunning. And this green color, it suits you so well. It's so stunning. Oh my goodness. Okay. Beautiful. Gorgeous. Oh, this is so gorgeous. Can you just bring your hand back a little bit so we get your waist? Yeah, gorgeous. Stunning. And maybe actually, can you swing your foot forward so that then it creates a really nice line? Yeah, beautiful. Oh my goodness. Gorgeous. Oh my goodness, stunning. Beautiful. Oh my gosh, with that wind, so gorgeous. Maybe like bring arch your back ever so slightly. Yeah, beautiful. Beautiful, oh my goodness. Stunning. Oh my goodness, love that. Maybe just slide your arm down ever so slightly for me. Yep, perfect. Gorgeous. Oh my gosh, this color on you is incredible. And then maybe bring your hand down now and just do something kind of at your side like this. Stunning. You know what, I'm actually gonna have you hop right here so I can get even more of the pillar. Yes, oh my goodness. With this green, oh, gorgeous. And then maybe actually slide, yes, you read my mind. Beautiful. Oh my gosh, stunning. Okay, I'm gonna do full body shot. This is so beautiful. We had the lineup of all the different types of scooters. We had the Line, the Bird, the Vimo. They really said product placement. Beautiful. Oh my gosh, that is so beautiful. I'm gonna do one from this angle. Gorgeous. And then maybe put kind of both your hands up. Yeah. Little stretch it out. Beautiful. Stunning. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, that's so gorgeous. Oh my goodness. Tilt your face this way for me, just because of the light. Yeah, beautiful, beautiful. Gorgeous. Okay, I'm gonna do a nice up close shot from like collarbone up, and then maybe bring one hand by your face. Yeah, oh my goodness. Beautiful. Oh my goodness. Now let's do two hands by your face. Yes. Oh, are you kidding me? So beautiful. Okay, tilt your face this way for me. Yeah, beautiful. Love. Oh my gosh. You're so stunning.
Thank you.
Like,
you're such a good photographer.
Thank you. Oh my gosh, are you kidding me? You're like 6'5" in these, for real. Oh, like you look like you're as tall as the building. Oh my goodness, you're so beautiful. Okay, so we're now at the Smith Tower, which has these gorgeous golden doors, and we're gonna get some portraits over here. I love the metallic door with the beautiful jade green, and especially with all of the sparkle from the jewels. It's gonna be some really beautiful portraits. Oh my goodness.
You want me to lean on it or just
Yeah, I'll have you lead, and I'm actually going to, we'll just keep an eye on to make sure nobody's coming. I'm gonna have you lead on just this little corner. Yeah, beautiful. Oh my goodness. So stunning. Beautiful. Maybe even gonna put one hand up on the door. Yeah, gorgeous. And then just with this hand, bring your elbow back. Yeah, so you see the waist. Oh my goodness, beautiful. Beautiful. What if you even did like put your hair almost like where you're putting it in like a little low bun, and then you're just looking down and we'll get like the really beautiful cheekbone. Yeah, beautiful. Gorgeous. Okay, now look up and behind like this way. Yeah, yeah, beautiful, beautiful. Oh my goodness. Okay, actually there's a weird tag, never mind, never mind, sorry. There's a little ASOS tag just hanging out there. Maybe I'll have you come right here, yeah. And then I'm gonna have, so with these kind of windows, it's like I wanna have her framed enough where she's blocking off some of the advertising and stuff. So yeah, oh my gosh, that's beautiful. Yeah, that's really pretty. Oh my goodness. Beautiful. Gorgeous. And now turn your torso toward, yeah, beautiful, beautiful. Turn towards me a little bit more with your shoulders. Gorgeous. Lift your face nice and tall for me. Oh my gosh, gorgeous. So beautiful. Yes, gorgeous. Okay, I'm gonna do a full body shot like this. I'll probably just have you cross your legs. Oh my goodness. Gorgeous. Stunning. Yes. Now what I'm gonna have you do is I'm gonna have you come right here, and then I'm gonna be able to have the doors nice and blurry in the background. So you'll almost kind of lean against, oh, actually, maybe if you put your hand and then you're just kind of leaning against this way. Yeah, beautiful. And then with your toes, bring your toes all the way to the, as close, yep, and then that just lets you, you know what, actually, I'm gonna have you flip. Maybe that will feel more natural. Yeah, beautiful. And then almost lean against it. Beautiful. Beautiful. With this hand, come even closer, as close as you can, and then kind of just rest your elbow up here. Yeah, beautiful, beautiful. Oh my goodness, just adjust this little curl. Beautiful. I think let's do one more where, okay, so it seems like people are buzzing in on that side, so we'll stick to, oh yeah, there's no buzzer. So we'll stick to this side. So you have to be mindful, especially when you're at a building that's residential. You don't want to be in the way of the residents, or if you do go over there, do it quickly, pop back. But there's no buzzer and there's no, it doesn't really seem like this is an entrance. It looks like that is. So I'm gonna have you come on over here. We'll go really close, and then I'm actually gonna shoot from this way. So I will be a little bit more in that way, but I'll be able to quickly pop in and out. Yeah, beautiful. You know what, actually, I'll have you come right here for me. And then maybe, yeah, beautiful. I think I should be okay. Yeah, I'll be okay. And then Laura has an eye, yeah, beautiful. Gorgeous, yes. Tilt your face the opposite way, actually, and then lift your face nice and tall. Yes, beautiful. Bring your face back even further for me. I know it's gonna feel a bit weird, but sorry, tilt your face up. Yes, yeah, beautiful, sorry. Sometimes I'm like, okay, bring your face down, and it's like, what? Like, bring her, yeah. Gorgeous. Stunning. A little bit higher, beautiful. Oh my gosh, how gorgeous are you? Like, are you actually serious right now? You're so, oh my God, look at you. Oh. Pretty, gorgeous. Gorgeous, yes, love. That's really beautiful. Love, oh my goodness. Do something more straight on. Oh my gosh, the blue with the blue. So beautiful. Gorgeous. Okay, so we are at Occidental Square now, and we're gonna do some photos against this really stunning ivy building. So we'll probably do like some framing where, Sulina, you'll be like here, and then you're in between the ivy and then stepped out just a little bit so that we have more depth in the shot. It's gonna be really beautiful. Oh my gosh, gorgeous. I'll actually, yeah, a little bit more. And then, you know what, I'm gonna shoot more from this side for these, and then I'll switch my lens to be a different one and we'll get wider. I'll actually have you scoot this way now for me. Yeah, beautiful. Perfect. Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. Sorry, I'm having you now scoot 1 more inch. It's just whenever like we readjust when our legs are crossed, it kind of like okay, yeah, perfect, sorry. Okay. Beautiful. Gorgeous. Oh my goodness, stunning. Yeah, beautiful. Beautiful. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh, gorgeous. Maybe turn your toes this, yeah, beautiful. Stunning. Gorgeous. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm gonna come a bit closer. So beautiful. My goodness. You know what, I'm gonna have you actually scoot this way just a hair for me. Yeah, beautiful. Oh my goodness. Gorgeous. Beautiful. And then maybe, yeah, I was gonna say drop your hands down, beautiful. You read my mind. Yeah, gorgeous. And then I'm gonna have you rotate, maybe keep your shoulders straight on and then just rotate your torso. Let's see, actually turn, yep, and then rotate just your shoulders towards me so we create a really beautiful curve. So just like, yep, beautiful, and then keep your toes pointed this way, keep your waist this way, and then go like this for me. Yeah, beautiful. Beautiful, maybe even widen your stance a little bit. Yeah, gorgeous, gorgeous. Gorgeous. I'll have you widen your stance for me and then put all your weight, yep, on that back leg. Yeah, beautiful. And then just pull your shoulders towards me. Yep, gorgeous. Gorgeous, face nice and tall, beautiful. Oh my goodness, beautiful. Maybe let's do like both hands on this side of the face closest to the ivy. Yeah, gorgeous. And I'll have you scoot a little bit closer to ivy. Beautiful. And then just turn your hands so I see more of your fingers. Yeah, beautiful, beautiful. Stunning. Pull your arm back ever so slightly. Yep, beautiful. Oh my gosh, okay, stay just like that. I'm gonna just get from a different angle so I get even more of the brick. Beautiful. Okay, now let's use these great lights. So I'll probably have you stand and we could even do like a few little walking ones. And you know what, because I'm shooting with my 85, but I have all this room, I'll just keep the 85 on me. Stunning, perfect. Oh my gosh, beautiful. Oh, this light is so gorgeous, you're doing amazing. Beautiful. Actually, tilt your face the opposite. Yeah, beautiful, beautiful. Stunning, I wanna get some of these lights in it a little bit more. Oh my gosh, okay, I just have to show you. Looks so good. If you're a photographer who's looking to join a kind, encouraging, and inclusive photography community, check out my free Facebook group called Build and Bloom. This is the best place to ask questions about your photography business with no judgment. You can also listen to the Build and Bloom Photography podcast, available now on your favorite podcast platform. Be sure to hit subscribe so you're the first to know when new free videos for your photography business come out, and I will see you in the next video. Click right here to watch and to learn. I'll see you there.